Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Nilfisk C1107-5 pressure washer. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Banish dirt from your outdoor spaces in no time with this easily maneuverable washer, best for removing light to moderate dirt from your gardens. The C110.7 boasts a 110 bar maximum pressure, covering surfaces up to 25 meters squared an hour. You can wave goodbye to dirty patios and grubby garden furniture with this dynamic washer, which boasts a handy automatic stop or start system and a highly durable aluminium pump. Its compact build makes it easy to stow away at the end of the day, and click and clean connectivity means you can access a range of optimal accessories, enabling you to deliver a specific and more precise clean. The extra model features an inbuilt trolley for increased mobility. The specifications include the following. The model number is 128470922. The product weighs 6 kg and has a hose length of 5 meters. The pump pressure is a max of 110 or a max of 11, and the water flow is 440 or 310. The maximum inlet temperature is 40 degrees. The rated power is 1.4 kW. The voltage, phase, frequency and currency are 220 to 240 and 1 or 6.0. The cable length is 5 meters and the length, width and height are 26 centimeters by 29.5 centimeters by 66 centimeters. The following features are included: an aluminium pump, an automatic start or spot. It has a click and clean nozzle concept, a gun with a quick connection and swivel, and a trolley. It also includes a lance and spray gun storage of accessories, cable storage, pressure regulation in nozzle, and finally has a hose and cable holder. The company was founded on a vision of producing and selling products of the highest quality worldwide, and for more than 100 years, Nilfisk has adapted to the challenging needs of the markets and customers with innovative products and solutions. They have been committed to bringing innovative cleaning solutions to the market and growing their business to lead the industry since 1906. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.